Would I buy a condo today? Yeah, I still would. I would make sure that I have an agent or a team who knows the right questions to ask. And I'm going to toot our own horn here. I think that we're a team who has been on it with this for a long time, especially Aiden. I think Aiden's going to buy a condo this year. So definitely an interesting climate for condos right now. There are definitely some things going on and you want to be aware of and look out for when you are shopping for a home as a condo buyer. For a lot of people, condo price point is the price point that they need to be within to be comfortable. Even an investment property or a starter home, for a lot of people, condo is not only the best option, but maybe the only option. So do I think it's still an okay time to buy condos? Would I personally still buy a condo today with the condo market being the way it is? Yes, I would. And yes, we are still helping our clients buy condos and townhouses. We're just a little bit more, no, not a little bit. We're just a lot more detail oriented and a lot more scrutinizing about all of the things surrounding HOA and insurance. It can be a crazy market. Make sure you have an agent who knows what they're talking about and who has experience with making sure the right questions are asked so that you don't find yourself with double the HOA the next year. We've got a questionnaire for you in the description below. Let us know what your questions are. Somebody, Aiden, myself, Kenny, Derek, somebody from Core Team Hawaii is going to get on and answer these questions. We'll make this a series. You can ask up to one question a day. Our team will put our heads together to get that question answered. But if you're like, hey, one question is not going to cut it, you can't put a one question on a day quota on me, go to the website, fill out the contact form. That's when we can get one-on-one with you, get a little bit more explicit and nuanced with your questions that you may have. But if you're ready to participate in these one questions a day, description box below.